Like I think the biggest thing is motivation. Once you start losing motivation, everything starts falling to shit. That's just how, because you got,
Yeah,
like, people are buying your shit, so obviously, they like what you're doing. There's got to be more people that like what you're doing. It's just a numbers game, and you have to find them. That's it.
yep, reaching those people. Yeah, and when you do like a fee per month for your OnlyFans, you have to make sure you keep up on content on a daily basis. So, I mean, it's a full-time job. And when I first heard that phrase, I was like, well, how could it possibly be? But it truly is. It is. And I think it's kind of fun because it's kind of like you push yourself to the limit. Like, what will I do next? And how am I going to get this stuff out there? I don't want to sound like I'm always like, I almost start to feel bad at like some point because I'm like, am I spamming the hell out of every single website? But it's like, whatever. I guess I am, because if their rules are allowing me to do that and I'm not getting blocked, then I'm going to keep doing that. So that's what I do. I spam every website. I have like 5 different pictures that I use. Some are fully nude. Some are, just like ass shots. And he's in a couple of them just so people know that content is obviously available too on my stuff, but you just got to find what you're comfortable with and find what you're comfortable with everybody seeing, because people are going to see it. People are going to see your post, whether they decide to click on your OnlyFans or whatever link, they're at least going to see the picture in the post. So it's all about grabbing your viewer and saying like, hey, come see what else I have. Like, you won't be disappointed.
Right, you're looking for those guys that are liking exactly what you're posting.